Welcome back, guys. In this video, me and my nephews peel off all of that old vinyl from my van, and me and my wife begin working on the floor. Enjoy this vinyl peeling montage. Today, me and my wife came to Home Depot and we're making flooring decisions. We're going to now floor our van so we can build our bed and build our kitchen. I came in here this morning, super cold, snowy, pulled the van in, and I have this paper that I laid out and made a template for the back piece of plywood to go under our hardwood flooring. And I just laid it on our plywood and I traced it out, and now I'm going to jigsaw out that piece of plywood and test fit it, and we'll see how it fits. All right, my wife just got here and helped me test fit this piece of plywood, and guys, it fits pretty flipping good. Flush on the back, flush on the wheel wells, cut out that little plastic piece. My dad ordered me a new one to house my jack in there. But yeah, it fits pretty flipping good, guys. As you guys can see, I got template number 2 all taped in. I just got the other piece of plywood set out there. I'm just rechecking everything. And then I'm going to peel this off, lay it on that piece of plywood, and trace it out and cut it and set it in and screw it just like I did that back piece. I got that piece in and that other piece in. I templated out, used the jigsaw, cut around all the edges, and I just secured it down with screws. Now I'm going to measure this rectangle until this carpet line. That's as far as we're going to take the flooring. All right, that's going to do it for this week's video. I got the vinyl peeled off the whole van, which was a ton of work. Me and my wife went to Home Depot and got all the stuff for the flooring, and we got the first half of the floor done. We got the plywood installed around all the wheel wells. We got it all installed, and next week we're going to be putting in the hardwood and working on the bed.